Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster tail on the grill. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed if frozen. Next, take kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the top shell from the base to the tail. Then, gently pull the raw lobster meat up through the cut, resting it on top of the shell. This butterfly cut helps the lobster cook evenly and absorb flavors. Now it's time to add some flavor. Brush the exposed lobster meat with melted butter, garlic, and your favorite seasonings like paprika or a pinch of salt and pepper. While you're doing that, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the grates are clean and lightly oiled to prevent sticking. Carefully place the butterflied lobster tails meat side down directly onto the preheated grill grates. Grill them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the meat starts to turn opaque and slightly charred. Then, flip them over and continue grilling for another 5 to 7 minutes. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and the meat should be firm and white. Once cooked, remove the lobster tails from the grill and serve them immediately. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a side of extra melted garlic butter are perfect accompaniments. This simple method yields tender, flavorful grilled lobster every time. For more great cooking tips and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.